Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video we are going to take a look at control system. Now this is my first video, so I'm going to define control system first. The definition of control system is given by a system which consists of number of components connected together to perform a specific function in which the output is controlled by input. So basically we add a bunch of components to perform a specific task. That's the control system. Now to do that task we have two kind of system. We have one is open loop system, the other one is closed loop system. Now if you look at the open loop system, it's actually a very simple system. We just put the input directly to the open loop system and then it gives the output. That's it. Now the advantage of open loop system is it's simple and economical, and the second advantage is it's easier to construct and it's stable. And the disadvantage of the open loop system is basically it's inaccurate, because if we have external noise coming in, it's not going to be accurate. The effect by external noises are not counted, so it's not accurate. And then because we don't have feedback like closed loop system. Now the next thing is changes in output are not covered automatically, like external noises and those kind of things is not covered. So this is inaccurate. That's the problem with this system. Now let's look at this closed loop system. Closed loop system is basically an open loop system connected with the feedback element. Once we add feedback element, what's it going to do is it's going to make it accurate. So the advantages of the closed loop system is basically accurate, and it's less affected by noise. And even if it's affected by noise, it's going to be still accurate because all of them are counted. So that's a good thing about closed loop system. But the disadvantage is it's complex and costlier. It's not simple system. We have many elements in this. And the second one is feedback reduces the overall gain of the system. And because when we have feedback element, it's going to reduce the gain. We are not going to get the gain as much as here. And the next thing is stability is the main problem. It doesn't have a good stability. And that's all I want to talk in this video. I am going to continue these control system videos in my next lectures. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.